All right, welcome everybody. Today we're working on a little project for Lackey. Basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take the saved game files generated by Lackey and parse them to update a scorecard on OBS. So we have several different text files here. Each of these were generated from Lackey by saving the game. So I saved the game when there are 0 lost souls. In this one, I saved the game when I rescued a lost soul. And so they have like this zone 3. Let me make this a little bit more visible. So there's this zone 3 that contains any cards in Land of Bondage for you. So I'm trying to create a script that will count up how many of these to have in each player. And it just works like that. It just works like that. All right. Let me run this through our gauntlet one more time, see if it works. Nothing. Yep, that's correct. That is also correct. And we know 2.1 is also correct. Great. We have a parse file function working. Has our parsing logic. And maybe we can wrap this in another function that will take the dictionary output from the parse file and count up how many. So let's see, it's a dictionary. And the key of the dictionary is player, and the values are the cards. Count some cards, baby. And it's going to be the players' 3 cards. Okay. And let's see. For player in zone. For player in zone 3 cards, we're going to in souls equals length of player. Okay. What's going to happen here? That looks like that works. Okay. Let's return a tuple. So let's think. Let's return a list. Because maybe there's going to be 3 players in the future. All right. So let's just do this for now, guys. All right. Iteratively testing. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have this, how can we add this to our script? Here's this Python script that we got here, and apparently it can update the text value of elements by parsing an XML file. So I think I need to tweak this logic here. Gets the re of the tree. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Right. Settings. Set string. Okay. So I need to update this apply XML to sources. So it's passing us a tree, which we'll be getting here. And so let's just copy and paste this file. And instead, we'll just ask it to accept a tree, which is going to be an et.tree object. I don't know, bro. We'll place that up here. Bah. Okay, so we're parsing the file. Where is that? It's in here. There's the tree. We don't need this. I don't think I'm going to be needing elements. What is elements? For child and elements, do something. Okay. Let's just have that there. Boom. All right. Let's put this here. All right, we're going to take the zone 3 output or then okay. All right, so if we have some souls, I don't know. Let's just set this for now. Source. Okay. I got to figure out what that source object was. Source equals OBS get source by name. Whatever does that mean? Child.tag. OBS get source by name. Okay, I don't know if that's going to work. Just logic. OBS source naming conventions. Okay, apparently there's like a right. So let's have this. Let's have this script only run if there's lost souls and a source that we can find. This is just a placeholder. So the source in OBS would be called LOR text. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to create a new source. LOR text. test. Okay. And let us Okay, let's just make that smaller. LOR text. Okay, so trying to get that source. If there's souls and a source, we're gonna set the string value to this, which we can format later. Boom, save that. Don't need this. Okay. Looking good so far. Now we just need to figure out how to install this Python script in OBS. This could get hairy. Okay. All right, OBS, what do you think if I do that? Trash, add, script. Ah. Yeah. All right. So it's looking at the 0, 0 path. Zone 3. Let's add another card to me. Let's see what happens. Yeah. 3, 0, baby. Okay. Let me try the other. Okay, what if we grab this one? Yeah, boy, it's working. It's working. Let's go. Okay. So let's point this to the actual game. Boom. Okay. So now we have an actual game going on here. What if I go to Lackey? Lackey. Okay. Lackey. Reload recent deck. Save the game. Put something in Land of Redemption. This seems to work just fine. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, that looks good so far. Okay, for those of you just tuning in, I've successfully found a way to update OBS text input when I save a file. So I'm looking at the savegames.txt file, reading, parsing the file, and counting up the number of lost souls in each person's Land of Redemption. It doesn't count lost souls, it counts cards. Yeah, I guess you can put any card in Land of Redemption, but there's a nice little score. It works for new games. So it's a blank slate. And load a deck. And oh, how convenient. Boom. Boom. I've tested it for 2 people. It in theory should work for more than 2 people. Probably put it somewhere like right here. I don't know. The user has the option to format it how they want. So yeah, I'm going to make this available on my GitHub. And I can add a README that tells you how to install and use this for your OBS setup.